नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपणाला इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप हा भाग पेज नंबर 14 व पेज नंबर 15 यावर आधारित पाहायचा आहे. तर 6 नंबरचा क्वेश्चन असा आहे, कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग अँड राईट अ पॅराग्राफ ऑन ईच ऑफ द गिवन ॲक्टिव्हिटीज. याच्यामध्ये आपली पहिली ॲक्टिव्हिटीज आहे मदर चाइल्ड रिलेशनशिप. याच्यामध्ये 5 पॉईंट दिलेले आहेत. नंबर 1 लव अँड अफेक्शन, नंबर 2 केअर नर्सिंग, नंबर 3 अपब्रिंगिंग कीपिंग हेल्दी, नंबर 4 मॉरल व्हॅल्यूज, नंबर 5 इन्स्पिरेशन एनकरेजमेंट. यावर आधारित आपल्याला पॅराग्राफ लिहायचा आहे. आपलं टायटल असं आहे मदर चाइल्ड रिलेशनशिप. द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन मदर अँड चाइल्ड इज व्हेरी क्लोज अँड इन्स्पिरेबल. मदर्स लव फॉर अ चाइल्ड इज इटर्नल. इट इज सेल्फलेस. हर लव अँड अफेक्शन for her children are boundless and invaluable. She looks after them, nurses them, and strives hard for her children's upbringing and keeping them healthy. She teaches them their family, culture, and moral values. The child also loves its mother immensely. Mother guides, inspires, and encourages her children throughout their life. How wonderful and pleasant relationship is this. Next point आहे असा आहे injured animal. How will you help? यावर 5-6 पॉईंट आहेत. पिक अप अँड ब्रिंग होम, बँडेज फर्स्ट एड, प्रोव्हाइड वॉटर अँड फूड, कीप इट इन सेफ प्लेस, विल टेक केअर टिल इट्स इनफ स्ट्रेंथ. आपल्या पॅराग्राफचं टायटल असं आहे हाऊ आय विल हेल्प an injured animal. If I find an injured animal, I will pick it up tenderly and bring it to my home. Carefully, I will put some drops of water in his mouth to make it fresh. I will examine its injury and apply antiseptic ointment to its injured part and bandage it without hurting it. When it is a little bit comfortable, I will provide it water and food. Then I shall keep it in small basket with cotton spread in it. I will see to it that it is safe in the place. I will take its care till it has enough strength or till it is fully recovered from the injury. Question number 7. Work in pairs and make as many words as you can using letters in the word encounter. सर्वप्रथम आपण 3 letters words पाहूयात. 3 letter words. Number 1 10, second hour, hot, caught, and toe. 4 letter words tour, noun, coat, tune आणि 4. 5-6 letter words enter, court, enter, counter and center. Translate the following proofs in English. Question number 8. Translate the following proofs in English. Number 1. जन सेवा हीच खरी ईश्वर सेवा. Service to man is service to God. पेरावे तसे उगवते. As you sow, so shall you reap. Question number 9. Write a paragraph and give an appropriate title to it. Use the following points. Number 1. Birds and animals. Number 2. Loyal. Number 3. Serve us. Number 4. Kindness, honest and compassion. Number 5. Love and affection. Number 6. Our best friends. Number 7. Protection and security. Number 8. Do not hurt or destroy us. And number 9. Loneliness avoided. यावर आधारित आपणाला पॅराग्राफ लिहायचा आहे. तर पहा, या पॉईंट्सच्या आधारे आपल्या पॅराग्राफचं नाव असं होईल, एनिमल्स अँड ह्युमन बीइंग्स. People around the world are fond of keeping animals, while most people stick to dogs and cows. Among the pet, there are animals and birds. Among the animals, there are dogs, cow, buffaloes, horse, rabbit, deer. People who own pets, they say that they keep their pets for love and affection. Some of their need, even though the pets are not human, but they have some human qualities such as loyalty, sincerity, working capacity. They can serve human being. The pets are our best friends because it is said that a friend in need is a friend indeed. So the pets many a times protect us from the dangers by their presence of mind. They serve us very honestly. The example of it are found even in history and literature. They protect us and they provide security to us during day and night. For example, the dog keeps our house. The horse is used in wars and battles. They are kind, honest and compassionate towards us. They do not hurt us and destroy us anyone. When they are with us, we feel that we are in someone's company and pass our time pleasantly. If they are not in our life, we feel thankfully, so they avoid our loneliness. Question number 10. Complete question number 10A. Complete the remaining blocks determining the types of news. There are 6 types of news. Number 1, business news. Number 2, city news. Number 3, political news. Number 4, economics news. Number 5, international news. And number 6, sports news. Template for a news. First one, headline, title. Second, deadline, date and resource. Number C, intro covering maximum WH question, and D. short continuing paragraphs or retakes. Question number B. Read the following headline and write a news report. Follow the steps as given. And question number C. Read the following headlines and write the deadline, intro and short continuing paragraphs. इथं आपल्याला दोन हेडलाईन्स दिलेले आहेत, त्यावर आधारित आपल्याला माहिती पाहिजे आहे. तर आपली फर्स्ट हेडलाईन्स अशी आहे, अचिव्हर्स नॅरेट देअर सक्सेस स्टोरीज ॲट करिअर काउन्सेलिंग इव्हेंट्स. ही घटना मुंबई एप्रिल 14 Thursday. The success stories by success achievers were narrated at the career counseling events organized by Mumbai Career Counseling. The eminent personalities from the various fields attended and expressed their valuable guidelines for the people who are in search of new careers. At 11 a.m. in the morning, the function was started by Mr. Chaitanya Bhosle, the IPS officer who narrated his success story in short, which was much inspiring for the audience. The achievers were honored with awards by the chief guest. The function was really very much inspiring. The people from various fields such as film industry, sports, administration, corporate world were present. The achievers like Sachin Tendulkar, Amitabh Bachchan, Ratan Tata, Narayan Murthy, Kiran Bedi, Lata Mangeshkar, Sindhutai Sabkal expresses their lives. The vote of thanks was expressed of Mumbai Career Council. Next, number 2 चा पॉइंट आहे, India's first ever tourism university to be established by IIHM. New Delhi, April 12, Thursday. Our PTI reporter says that the India's first ever tourism university was established in New Delhi. The reporter said the PM Narendra Modi signed the proposal of establishing the university and he personally attended for the ceremony. The famous personalities working in tourism sector attended the function. They narrated their own experiences and gave valuable tips and guidelines for the successful marching of the university towards success and prosperity. The chief guest, Mr. Veena Patil, the secretary of Kesari Tours, guided on this occasion, sharing her own experiences and also made the suggestions regarding the curriculum of the tourism university. In his presidential speech, Mr. Narendra Modi, the PM, appealed and assured the audience and the country people about the tourism, which will become the part and parcel of India's heritage. At the end of the function, the national anthem was sung and the function got over. तर पहा विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप ऑन पेज नंबर 14 and 15 हा पार्ट अभ्यासलेला आहे. धन्यवाद.